Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in digital currencies. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Shiba Inu from Trezor wallet to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding Shiba Inu on your secure Trezor hardware wallet and want to transfer it to your Revolut account for easier spending or trading, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with 2025's updates, but always remember to double-check everything for security. First things first, make sure your Trezor device is connected and unlocked via the Trezor Suite app. It's your fortress for crypto, so keep it safe. Once you're in, navigate to your Shiba Inu holdings. You'll see your balance. Let's say you've got some SHIB tokens ready to move. Next, head over to your Revolut app and go to the crypto section. In 2025, Revolut has streamlined deposits, so generate a deposit address specifically for Shiba Inu. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Now, back in Trezor Suite, select Send for your Shiba Inu. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, paste in the Revolut address, and don't forget to add a small network fee to ensure your transaction goes through quickly. Hit Confirm on your Trezor device itself for that extra layer of security. Once the transaction is broadcasted, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear in your Revolut account, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on it through blockchain explorers like Etherscan, since Shiba Inu runs on Ethereum. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer to avoid any mishaps, and be aware of potential fees from both Trezor and Revolut. In 2025, these are lower than ever, but they add up. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Shiba Inu from your Trezor to Revolut. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.